What's up, everybody? This is Investing Sensei here to bring you episode 53 of the Webull Option Adventures. So our goal here in this portfolio is to sell options and collect that premium. Anyways, first thing I do want to say is Merry Christmas. Today I will be uploading during Christmas, so happy Christmas to everybody. And so I have actually 3 stocks that I am watching this week and the following week for some pretty good premiums. We will see how that plays out. I'll show you guys the charts. So those are 3 picks I will be showing you in a little bit as well. I will be showing you my current trades and current positions that I do have open in this portfolio. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first one right here, guys, we do have $35,591.42 is what the portfolio is at. We are down about 46.47%, which comes out to be about $20,591.50. You'll see our cash balance is at $11,871.92. And then our options buying power is at $3,260.67. Right now we have been using a lot of our options buying power, but I'll show you guys the trades I have currently placed. So the first one I do have is Disney. So I actually put one cash secured put on Disney for a strike price of $145. It actually is going to expire on the 28th of January of 2022. And we collected $2.03, so that's about $203 that we collected in premium. You'll see that currently the option is worth about $1.58, so that's about $158. So I could close it next week and then just keep the difference between those. That would be around $45.50, so that would be about 22%, almost 23% return on the premium. We actually are considering, we usually try to close it at 40 to 50%, especially if it does have almost a whole month away. But I've been trying to sell cash secured puts that are monthlies, and they have actually been playing out very well, which I'll show you a couple other ones that I did enter this week, and I was able to close them out within a day or two. So it'll be really exciting when I show you guys that. But the next one we do have here is Leggett & Platt. So I sold one cash secured put at a strike price of $35. And then it actually will expire on the 21st of January 2022. So you guys can kind of see it's almost cash secured puts that are almost expiring for a month or a little bit over a month. But we did collect 31 cents. So that's about $31, which if you kind of do the math, it's about 1%. So 31 cents, or I guess $31. And the strike price is about 35, so it's close to about 1% for the month, which is pretty good. I think we're gonna actually close it way earlier, especially because some of these trades I did start picking. I started using the 200-day moving average, as well as the Bollinger Bands and the 100-day moving average, which I'll show you guys in a bit. As well, this one is kind of oversold. It actually went down, and I don't think that we would reach the 35. If we did, I wouldn't mind picking up 100 shares because they do pay out a great dividend. But I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up these so quickly so that I can show you guys the 3 trades that I am considering watching for this coming week. But the next one we do have here, guys, is 300 shares of Tattoo Chef, which we actually sold a covered call, which is, I guess, 3 covered calls at a strike price of $23. It actually expired yesterday. Well, I guess not yesterday, but the 23rd of December, because the stock market was closed on Friday. But we did collect $10, so about $30 total. And then the next one here, actually that one did expire worthless. The next one here is 100 shares of Beyond Meat. We actually sold one covered call at Beyond Meat, and I actually did a couple covered calls throughout the week. I think I did actually one more, but I'll show you guys those trades in a bit. But we did one covered call at a strike price of $71, and then it expired on the 23rd, so about Thursday. And then we collected 68 cents or $68, and it expired worthless, so we got to keep the whole premium plus our 100 shares. The last one here we have, guys, is 400 shares of NEO. So NEO we actually sold 4 covered calls at a strike price of $34, and it actually expired on the 23rd of December, which was around Thursday. And we collected $4 per contract, so about $16 we collected total. And right here we actually it actually expired worthless, so that was a pretty good trade. Right now we do have to collect small crumbs from Neo because we are down quite a bit, but you know, we will continue to do this until hopefully we recover. But now let me show you guys the 3 trades that I'm actually watching and the reasons why I'm watching them. So let's go ahead and actually jump over there. So I'm gonna pull up the first one, which the first one is going to be Twitter, guys. So Twitter is our first pick. Twitter's around $44.16 what it's trading around. After hours about $44.05. And actually, if we look at the 1 month, you'll see that we do have the Bollinger Bands. So I have those set up as well. We have the 50-day moving average and the 200 and the 300 moving average. So if we look currently, Twitter's trading around $44.16, which is way below the middle of the Bollinger Band, which the Bollinger Band set at $46.15 for the middle. The lower bound of the Bollinger Band's at $39.92, and then the upper bound of that is at $52.38. So that would be pretty good as long as you entered a trade below $39. As well, if we look at the green line, which is our 50-day moving average, it is actually trading way below that. And if we look at it, guys, as well, I'm gonna zoom out a little bit. If we look at the pinkish looking one, that is our 200-day moving average. So we are trading way below that. And then you know, the purplish line here, which I kind of have highlighted, that one is our 300-day moving average, which Twitter is way below that. So that would be a good entry for Twitter. If we look at the rebound here for us, you'll see that around $42 would be a good support, which is what we were trading around back in let's see, back in November 9th of 2020. So about a year ago is what Twitter was trading right around. So I think anything, if you were really to pick $39 or lower, I think this would be a great trade. I am going to be watching this, especially on the premium. We'll see. It'll probably be a monthly cash secured put, but you know, we will find out with that, as well as the R size at 39. So I think it's a pretty good one, and it's a good one to watch. So let me know if you guys are considering watching this one. I will be watching it, and then if it's a good entry on the premium, I will enter it. But let's move on to the second one, guys, which is going to be eBay. So eBay is at $64.89. You'll see after hours about $65.35. But if we look at the 1 month, which I guess we'll probably zoom in a little bit, but you know, the Bollinger Band, again, the middle of the Bollinger Band is at $68.87. The upper bound of the band is at $76.78, and then the lower bound of that is at $60.97. So you'd want to enter a position between, I guess, below $60.97. But if we look at the 50-day moving average, which is our green line, that one is around $71.66. You will see that we are way below that, as well as our 200-day moving average, which is this pink line, which is $68. We're way below that as well. And then if we look at the 30-day moving average, which is this purple one, we actually haven't hit that one, which is about $63.08. I think we would bounce off of that, but we would see. But any entry, I think, over, I guess, below $60, so like maybe $59, you would probably hit support from back in June of 2021, which is what eBay was trading around. So I think this would be a good trade as well if we look at the RSIs at 36. So this one is something that I will be considering. So looking at the premiums, again, they will probably be monthly cash secured puts, and hopefully as they start moving upwards, we can close these positions much earlier. But the last one we have here, guys, is going to be Leggett & Platt, which you guys already saw. We do have a cash secured put on that, and it's been doing very, very well. But Leggett & Platt's trading around $39.57, after hours about $39.94. But if we look at the 1 month, you'll see that our Bollinger Bands, our middle of our bands, is at $41.74. Upper bound is around $45.31, and then our lower bound is going to be at $38.16. So we are a little bit above that. But if we look at the 50-day moving average, it's this green one, which is $43.38. And then if we look at the 200-day moving average, we're way below that, which is set to $47.96. And then our 300-day moving average for Leggett & Platt is at $46.38. So we are close to the oversold. If we look at the RSI as well, it's at 40. So I think this would be a good trade as well. Kind of, you guys saw that I did do a cash secured put for 35. If we can close it out and then re-enter again with the premium much higher, I definitely wouldn't mind this trade. But these are the 3 trades I am considering, guys. And so let me know if you guys are interested in entering them or what you would do. But yeah, let me show you guys the actual Google Sheets, and then I can go ahead and show you all the trades and everything we did and how much we made for this week. So we are here on the dashboard, which if we actually start from the start date, which was the 20th, and then on the end date is going to be the 23rd, which was really the 24th. But you'll see that we made a total of $348.63. Total in premium we've collected $557.69, and then anything that we paid was a total of $209.06. So you just subtract those, and that's what we get the difference. And then if we look over here, guys, actually I guess on the gains, you will see, which I accidentally clicked the backspace, but on the gains we don't have anything here as well for invested. But if we look at the graphs, guys, for the month of December we are down still. So we are around $3,904.77 is what we are down. We did took some tax loss harvesting, and we are trying to we exit some positions, but we're going to try to collect some more premium before the end of the year. We'll see what happens there. But if we look right here, you'll see that for the week we made $348.63, which brings our total to $56,887.54. This is assuming our initial investment plus our total premium we've collected so far. So you'll see last week is where we took the tax loss harvesting, and now we are trying to lower that down over time. But if we look over here, guys, this is the total premium we've collected for this year, $10,468.20, which comes out to be about 22.55%. If we assume for taxes, it's about 15.79%. And then if we look at the credits, guys, this is what I was really interested in showing you guys. You remember that I actually had the WBA that I entered last week, and it was a cash secured put. I was actually able to buy it back, and I collected maybe 40-ish%, I believe, in profit from the premium we've collected. And I actually forgot to fill this one out, but I need to come back and fill it out. But this Tattoo Chef one did expire worthless. And then if we look at this other trade is Beyond Meat, which we sold a covered call and we collected about $114-ish. We actually bought it back and we only held it for 1 day. I think we collected a lot of the premium, so it was worth taking those profits. And then we entered a position for Walmart, guys, cash secured put at a strike price of $131, and then we actually collected 126, and then you'll see that we'd actually bought it back. We only held it for 3 days. This is a monthly, and we collected, I think, around 40% to 50-ish is kind of what I try to get from each trade, but that was a pretty good trade for 3 days, and it was actually a monthly. So you know, Walmart, I was looking at the charts and actually paid off. So that is what I'm going to continue doing. We're going to try to improve our skills on these, and so far they have been playing out very well with these new strategies I'm trying to follow now. So the next one here is we entered another a covered call on Beyond Meat for 71 as a strike price, and we collected about $68, and it actually expired worthless. And then we did the Neo covered calls, which we collected about what was it, $15-ish. And then here's the Leggett and Platt cash secured put we entered, which we might be able to close next week, guys, as well as this Disney cash secured put. So we will see how that plays out. But on the debits, this is what we did. So I was able to buy back the Beyond Meat one for $84, and then the Walgreens one for about $50, and then the Walmart for $75. And then, you know, we were able to place some more trades, so that is what we're going to continue doing. If we look at the gains, guys, there's actually nothing for gains. And then current buys, there's actually nothing for current buys. But you know, that is all I have for you guys in this update. If you stuck all the way to the very end, be sure that you're already subscribed with that bell notification so you're notified when I upload new videos. But yeah, I will see you guys in the next video, guys. Take care, stay safe out there, and Merry Christmas to everybody. But bye, guys.